Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher, and this is the last part of our revision today. And let us start. I will start with this question, my dear student. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Solve equation means to make the variable alone and happy. So in this equation, y negative 38.2, this is the left side, equal 65.4, this is the right side. As we agreed, my dear student, first of all, we ignore this side at all. Why? Because it has no variable on this side, so we focus here. Okay, how we can make the y alone and happy? We have to add 38.2 to eliminate it. Okay, so the first step, I will add 38.2 here. Actually, let me reduce the line a little bit, it will be better. So plus 38.2 here and plus 38.2 here. So in the left side, actually this part will be eliminated and the y coming down and happy. The y coming down and happy, and I drop the equal sign here and waiting what will happen in the right side. In the right side I have 65.4 plus 38.2. I can add it here. Let us add it. 65.4, yes, plus 38.2, 6, the point decimal point coming down, 5 plus 8 equal 13, and here we have 10. So the answer is 103.6. So this is the solution, and I told my student the solution is the value of the variable that make the equation true or correct. Okay, so this is the first equation. Now let us move to the second one. Let us do this one. Okay, this is the special case. Yes, you see the number, it is under the variable. Yes, so directly, my dear student, just multiply this by this and you done. So 6 by 29 equal 6 by 9 equal 54, 4 down and 5 up. 6 by 2 12 plus 5 17. So R equal 174. We done. But teacher, here we have negative. Someone of my student will ask me, this is negative and this is negative. My dear student, I told my students that if you have negative number multiplied by negative number, the answer must be positive number. So ignore the negative number. Okay, but if one of them negative and the other one is positive, the answer must be negative. Okay, let us take one more question about this lesson. If we have like this one, 2w equal, for example, 18 or negative 18. Okay, what we have to do to make the w alone and happy? First of all, this is the left side and this is the right side, and every time we have to know what is the coefficient of this equation. This is the 2 is the coefficient, and as we know, we don't look here at the beginning. Yes, we just look at the side that has a variable. Good. So How I can eliminate the coefficient? Directly, the coefficient eliminated by divide. So divide this side by 2 and this side by 2. So the W coming down alone and happy. And I drop the equal and find out 18 divided 2 equal 9. And because I have one negative, okay, so the answer must be negative. So the answer here is, it is negative 9. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now, let us take another example. If we have like this question, for example, 3m minus 4 equal, for example, 8. As we learned, determine the left side and the right side. Don't look here. Look here. Ignore this part, the coefficient part. Ignore it. First, the first step for the first step. Okay, ignore it. So what you have to do? Yes, plus 4 plus 4. Now I plus 4. Okay, I return everything as it is. Okay, now this will eliminated, the 3m coming down. Okay, and this is equal to 12. Now the last step, I divide by the coefficient, which is 3. Okay, divide both sides by 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. This will be eliminated. The m now alone and happy, and 12 divided by 3 equal, yes, 4. Great. So the answer is m equal 4 is the solution of this equation. That means m equal 4, this value, or 4, that the value that make the equation true. Now please, I will ask you to do this for me. Okay, and write your answer in your comments. So this is a question number 1. It is your project to write the answer in your comment. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now let us take another example. If I have like this one, negative 2m negative 4 equal, or plus 4 equal negative 8. The first step, determine the left side and the right side. Ignore this side because it has no letter or variable, and ignore this one also because it is the coefficient part. What is the first step? Yes, minus 4 minus 4. Now I return everything as it is. Okay, and continue. Now this part eliminated, yes, and this part, my dear student, I have to calculate it. So Hamada want 8 and Hamada also want 4. That means Hamada want 12, yes? So this will be negative 12. Now what is the coefficient, my dear student? Tell me. Yes, it is negative 2. So directly, what is the coefficient? Divide by the coefficient, whatever it is. So divide by negative 2. So this one will be eliminated, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And remember, if you have up and down negative, that means you have to ignore them. So 12 divided by 2 equal 6. So m equal 6. Okay, my dear student, are you happy? I hope so. Okay. What if we have like mm, like this one? Y negative 2 over 4 equal 3. How we can solve it? Okay, if we have like this, my dear student, you see the number down here, you have to deal with it. How? Just multiply it by this one. Okay, you will get 12. Yes, the equal coming down, and y over minus 2 will come down here. We're done from this step. Now I will add plus 2 plus 2, so the y coming down alone and happy, and 12 plus 2 equal 14. So this is the answer. One question more about this. Y minus 5 over 3 equal equal 5. What is the first step? Yes, if I have down here any number, I will multiply it by this one. Okay, it's give me 15. Yes, so it's give me 15. Now we have to move this guy to this side. It will be plus, sorry, so y equal 20. Or what you have to do, plus 5 plus 5, y equal 20. Okay, now your mission to send me the answer for this question. For example, r plus 2 over 5 equal 4. This is number 2. Send it in the comment. Okay, okay, my dear student. Okay, now what if we have like this question? X over 5 minus or plus 7 equal 3. How we can solve it? Left side, right side, ignore this side and ignore this side. Yes, we have to eliminate the 7, so negative 7, negative 7. Yes, so this will be eliminated, and 3 for me and 7 for Hamada. So Hamada want from me 4, so negative 4. Now I have the special case, the 5 down, directly I multiply it by this negative 4, so x must equal negative 20. Okay, my dear student? Okay. What else? Okay. Let us move to this example. Can you do this for me? Left side, right side, ignore this side and ignore this. So negative 5, negative 5. Yes? So A over 7 equal negative 35. We have a special case, 7 multiplied by negative 35. This is the answer. So find it. 7 multiply negative 35. It is the answer. Find it. This is the answer. What about this one? Directly we multiply the 3 by the 18. So negative 6 plus z equal, it is 74. Yes? Then I send this to the next side here and convert the sign. It will be plus. Yes. So z equal 80. Okay, what else? So we did like this one. Let us do it. Left side, right side. We stop looking here for a while and here for a while. So it is plus 6. Plus 6. This is the first step. Okay. Now negative and plus 6 will eliminated. Y over 3 coming down. And this is for Hamada and this is for me. So 3 for Hamada. So negative 3. I have a number down. Directly we multiply it by this. So y equal negative 9. Are you happy? I hope so. What else? This one, he asked me to find out the value of h if angle A equal angle B. That means angle A equal 47 as given. And angle B, as he write here, this is angle A, I write it here, equal angle B, I will write it here, which is, yes, 8h negative 9. I have equation. Don't scare. Everything will be okay. This is the left side and this is the right side. At the first step, I ignore this and give the opposite of the 9 both side. When I give the opposite, this will be eliminated. Okay, but here we have to do some calculation. It is 47 for me and 9 for me. That's mean 56. Yes, I hope so. It is 56. Yes, 56. Now we divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient? Great. The coefficient, it is the number that stick with the letter or with the variable. And we we divide by the coefficient, whatever the coefficient. At the last step, remember that, the last step. So the h coming down alone and happy and waiting what will happen here. 56 divided by 8, it is 7. Yes, so the answer is 7. So h equal 7. Okay, now my question for you, if you have the same triangle and I will change this number, it will be, for example, a 50, and I have this, I change this equation, it will be for example 2x minus 4. Can you find the value for x for me? And this is question number 3. Write your answer in the comment, please. Okay, let me check all the question here. Okay, you know how to do this, yes? Left side, right side, we ignore the side that has no variable, and we ignore the part of the coefficient, so it is 6, so negative 6 this part and negative 6 this part. Now we erase everything here. Now this will be eliminated and the 3p coming down. I drop the equal, negative 18, it is 18 for Hamada, 6 for Hamada, so negative 24. I divide by the coefficient, which is the 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, b equal negative 8. We're done. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit from this revision, and see you in the next video. This is Muhammad Khair, and I hope see you soon. Goodbye.